watch this. You can see here the switch is off, but when I'm going to put this socket tester, you will see the LEDs. You see the 3 LEDs. Yeah, it's lighting up although the switch is off. See that? You see the indication and the indicator here. Live, ground, reverse, or missing ground. Let me turn it on. You see, between the neutral and earth, there is no voltage at all. There should be a voltage, at least 0 voltage, but this is empty. It's like it's missing voltage. So what does it mean here? It is likely missing ground cable from the DB to this outlet. Later on we check it on the DB itself what happened. You see the plug is in off position. You see, not off, but let's see. You see, it's here. We're going to check whether there is some electric flow to the kettle. I'm going to set to NCV, non-contact voltage tester. You see there is electric shock here present despite it is in off position. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, but the switch is still in off position. I have not yet turned it on yet. Let's see the voltage whether it is getting stronger. Yeah, this would shock you a little bit. You see that? So what happened? Let's check on the ground. So here is the real culprit of this. Let's take a look. The ground has been cut off from the ground rod, the earth. So what does it mean? It's missing the ground. I have to reconnect this, but I gotta be careful because these holes have been here for years without any maintenance. There could be some creatures like scorpions or centipedes inside, so I got to really careful here, just not to attract some dangerous creatures bite me off. Oh shit, all these years I've been here. This is the reason why I got shocked when I touched my kettle, my cooking pot, and everything. Yeah guys, this is it. So here it is. I fixed the ground cable. It's a simple fix. It's using just a stove gas tube clamp. So yeah, that's the local solution right now. I just fix it with whatever I have right now. So this is it. So this is after the fix. We're gonna check the socket tester. You can see the LED over here does not light very bright anymore, only this side, the earth. When I turn it on, voila, you see that it's green now, which means it's a correct connection, and there is earth. You see the north, neutral and earth have a 0.5 volt. That's exactly what I wanted. And let's take a look at the kettle now. See, it's connected. Let us test whether there's the voltage running through the body of the kettle. I'm going to set this to non-contact voltage tester and CV. You see, yeah, there's no sound at all. No sound at all. That's exactly what I wanted. You see that? Yeah. There's no more shock anymore. See, last time you can touch this kettle because it will give some a little shock, and it's very annoying whenever you touch, whenever part of your body is touching this. It's like, it's really annoying, like it bites. Alright, that's all folks, and for the record, this, I thought it was the earth problem last time when it was flashing. When you see the socket tester was flashing at the time, it actually is not the earth problem, but actually it's the weak link of the neutral. So I have no choice but to connect this green cable to the neutral to give more power to the neutral. I mean, to smoothen the neutral connection so that this does not flash. And yeah, this is not actually, you can see that I brought the neutral. Let's take a look at the DB. How did I do it? You can see that the green cable is not connected to the earth but instead to the neutral. So to smoothen the flow of the neutral. So I'm so sorry to use the green because I have no choice. So, to save costs and to fix things with whatever I got, whatever I have right now. So this problem has been solved and everything is good. If you want to do this yourself, you must be very careful and make sure that you have your tools with you, like your multimeter, your socket tester, so that you don't get shocked or you know, it can be fatal. It's very dangerous thing to do, and you must know about DB, where it come from, the incoming, the outgoing. So you have to understand of that and how much all these things will sound like. Yeah, you got to know what you're doing. I don't trust the cable color because in this case, if someone thinks that this is the earth, actually they are wrong. I've connected to the neutral. So you got to know what you're doing. Even you don't trust the universal color, the universal theory, because anything can happen and people can just connect it anyhow they like, just like what I did here. And that's all folks, and thank you for watching.